Start cooking up the pasta in some salted boiling water. Add the noodles in, and I'm using rotoni here, but you can use the pasta of your choice. And we're just going to cook this up until it's al dente. While the pasta is boiling, I'm just going to add about a pound or half a kilo of lean ground beef into a pan over medium-high heat. Now we'll just fry this up until it's browned. Now, as you probably noticed here, I'm using a cast iron pan because I'm going to put it in the oven afterwards. But if you don't have a cast iron pan, just use a regular pan, and then what you can do is just transfer it into a baking dish. Now our beef is beautifully browned up here. I'm going to kind of put it to one side and add in half a small chopped onion and two cloves of garlic, I should say, that I've chopped up. I'll just saute that until that wonderful smell of garlic fills the air. I just love the smell of frying garlic. Now in we go with about 400 milliliters of tomato sauce, about a cup. Then what I'm going to do here is something crazy. I'm going to add in about a quarter cup of pizza sauce. You don't have to do this, but I just love the taste of pizza sauce. And it is pizza. Supposedly. A teaspoon or so of one of my all-time favorites, some Italian seasoning. I just love this stuff. About half a teaspoon of salt. And the same amount of ground black pepper. Just give this a stir up. And oh, this is starting to smell wonderful. Now we just let this wonderful, fantastic sauce simmer away for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now that it's simmered away for a few minutes and that sauce is reduced just a little bit, as you can see, I'm going to kill the heat, add in our wonderful noodles. And believe me guys, your family is just going to go nuts over this. It is so good. And we'll get this stir up just so everything is nicely combined. And just look at this texture, guys. It's just about perfect. That's the way you want it. Now, on goes some of that wonderful, you guessed it, ooey gooey mozzarella. It certainly wouldn't be a pizza casserole without mozzarella. Be nice and generous with this. Next up, our toppings, starting with some pepperoni. Got to have the pepperoni. And you don't have to use pepperoni, like you can use ham, whatever you have on hand, but I just love pepperoni, and a good pepperoni at that. Some mushrooms. Now, you don't have to use mushrooms. Like I said, just use the toppings of your choice. This is just my preferred toppings. Same way you'd order a pizza. Some red and green bell peppers, combo of both. Some black olives. You just gotta have black olives. And last but not least, some fresh basil. I talk about smells, but I just love the smell of basil. It's just something so aromatic, refreshing about it. Now we're going to slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are fresh out of the oven, guys, and just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious and spectacular? Oh, yum. Okay, my friends, let us dig in here and see what we have. Oh, look at this. Doesn't that look fantastic? Wow. Ooey gooey goodness pizza casserole. Once again, everyone, a pizza casserole cheers. Once again, my favorite time in the whole wide world, taste time. This is just like pizza, and really, really good pizza. Oh. This is so good. Like I said before, guys, your family and friends will just go nuts over this. And I mean, if you don't like this, Anybody who doesn't like this, I think they're bonkers. So good. You can see I'm digging for more here. You gotta make this. It's just good. Once again, somebody is absolutely begging for a treat. Cookie, be nice. He likes pepperoni. He says, that's so good, Dad. Can I have more pizza? More pizza, Dad, please. Okay, Coke. Coco. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. There's always some great stuff over there. In terms of the merch, I've tried to reduce it. You can buy some shirts and some coffee mugs and stuff like that. I've got them down to just about cost, so check it out. I know they're still a bit on the costly side, but maybe, who knows. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so, because we are so close to that 1 million. I'm figuring about another month and then the big party. If you like what you saw, hammer that like button, and thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.